It's October already, people. October, the 10th month of the year. As you can see, I'm already wearing my cute pumpkin earrings. Yes, I made these. If you want to know how I made them, I will leave the link down in the description so you guys can know how to make them too. They're really cute. And I have plenty more earrings if you don't like pumpkins. So what are we gonna do this week? We are going to start with making a candy box for all of the candy you're going to get during October. And if you don't usually get candy, well, this is your opportunity to go get some candy to put it in the box we're about to make. And of course, it's not just for candy. You can put anything you want in it, but it is going to be a Halloween themed box. So what are we gonna need? We're gonna need stuff. Let me go grab the stuff. I don't have it with me. It's like over there. I'll be right back. It's fine. Here's the stuff you're gonna need. You're gonna need a nice box that you like. I found this one at Michael's, but you can use literally any box or square container. This one is wooden. I'm sure you can use other materials because we're just gonna be painting it and adding stuff to it to make it all nice and pretty. This one has a little latch, and inside are napkins. Why? Because we're gonna need them. I found these cute Halloween napkins, and I got 4 of them. White paint, black paint. I'm gonna be using acrylics. You can use any paint you want, but I do think acrylics end up looking better and stay on better than, let's say, watercolors. And we're also gonna be using Mod Podge. I may or may not also use other random things I have in my home. Spoiler alert, I use black hot glue. The point of this is to let your creativity out and to make it however you want to. But let's stop rambling and make a box of candy, because I have a lot of candy and I don't know where to put it. So now I'm gonna have a box to put all the candy in. All right, let's go make the box now, shall we? Alright guys, if you ended up making a candy box similar to this, I hope you had a lot of fun, because I had a lot of fun making mine. It's a really easy craft that you guys can try at home too, and if you do try it, share a picture with me through Instagram or Twitter. I would love to see. As you know, I love hot glue, so of course I had to add some hot glue. Now that I have colorful hot glue, if you guys haven't seen those videos, you should check them out, because colorful hot glue is a lot of fun, and I will probably be using it for a lot of crafts here in the future. Alright guys, I will see you next week, and I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. Bye!